Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this edition of Carl's Bearded Banter. Today, I'm going to tell you about butter. No, I don't mean what you put on toast or for the sandwich. I'm talking about butter that you put in your beard. Don't go to your fridge and get out your tub of Flora either. That's not what I'm talking about. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Let's get on with the show. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Yes, like I said, we're talking about beard butter today. And the one I've got to show you is from Opie's. This one is this sherbet lemon beard butter. Not sure if you can read that. Is there a place for a butter as well as oils and balm? And the answer is, I would say, yes. Now, as you can see, let's do a basic comparison. I've got two Opie's products here. They're not the same scent. They only do the sherbet lemon in the butter, which is a shame. But I've got the Greedy Men Beard Balm. So let me show you the colour on that. You can see that there's kind of a little yellowish tint to that one. And in the butter, you see that's more white. Put two together, and you can really notice the difference there when I put them like that. Now, so why is that? The yellow one is the balm, and the white one is the butter. Well, the balm has beeswax in it to give it a hold. Now, most people, and you probably all know this, most people do it. They'll apply the oil, make sure you get the oil to the skin, and then use the balm 5 or 10 minutes later or whatever, just to coat the beard, just on top. This is how I do it. Maybe I should do a morning ritual routine to me as well. But most people do, I would say, they coat the beard then with the beard balm, so it still has the nutrients in there, but it also has that wax which gives it that stiffness to give you a bit of hold, to keep your beard in place throughout the day. Now the butter, this one doesn't have the wax in it, doesn't have beeswax. I'll go through the makeup of both of them. So we'll start with the balm first. The balm contains beeswax, shea butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, argan oil and grapeseed oil. Now the butter is similar, but it doesn't have beeswax in it, and it has shea butter, mango butter, avocado butter, jojoba oil, argan and grapeseed oil. So there's a couple of slight differences in there, but that texture there, not having the wax, just makes it a bit more soft, a bit more subtle. Now I'm not sure if I can show you this, you can't really tell through a video, and also it's quite warm outside, but the balm when you get it, it has that, let's get a little drop out, it has that kind of, I don't know, that thickness, kind of almost sticky, I would say, sticky feel to it. So it does coat the beard, sticks to the hair. You can tell I'm on lockdown, I need a trim. I know there's not much we can do about that in a minute, but it sticks to the hair and holds it in place lovely. Now the thing is with the wax though, as the wax does act as a seal, not all of the nutrients and the vitamins and all that can get through from the wax into the beard. So there's a few there, and if you've already put oil onto your skin as well, so you're getting enough, you're getting enough vitamins and that into your skin and onto your beard. So it just adds that little bit extra, but also gives that hold. Well, now with the butter, it's more squisher. That's a technical term. It's more like a cream, almost. A lot softer, a lot easier to put in, and you can get this into the skin, get this right through the beard again. Now, as you see, I'm not going to go too mad. because I keep creating the forked beard, which I don't want to do in a minute. So, I mean, look, you can see there, it's kind of fluffed around everywhere. It's more whipped up, whereas the balm is pretty much still solid. Stick my finger in, that's quite solid. If I do that to the butter, the finger will just go straight in. I don't want to destroy my butter anyway because I'll use that. So what's the benefits of the butter over the balm? Well, like I said, they've both got different purposes here. Now the butter, I do think is perfect for putting on at night time. It's like I say, it's between the two of the oil and the balm. It comes in the middle there of its consistency, of its hold and thickness and so on. But because it's not got that beeswax in it, you're going to lay it into your beard. It will give you a bit of hold. It will, yes. At night time, just get it out of your, keep it out of your face. Keep it out of your face. Keep your beard out of your face. That's what you'd always want. Anyway, just keep it in place a little bit overnight. You're going to go to sleep and roll around on your face and get a mess anyway. But the benefit is, because it's not got that wax in it, and you're asleep for a long time, let's say 8 hours is standard for most people. All that nutrients that you've got in there, all them vitamins, are going to have time to soak in to the beard and onto your skin. So basically it's working for you overnight. Whereas the butter just has that little bit of hold to make it easier to apply at night time. You're not messing around. You put it on, it's in there, locked in overnight, bish bash bosh. So that's why I would say use the beard butter at night time. Some people use it in a day, which is fine, crack on. They use it instead of the balm. Some people use it instead of both. Use it whenever you want, really. I'm not telling you when you should use it, I'm just telling you when I use it. I use it at night time just to give that beard time to soak it up through the night and then wake up with a nice soft beard in the morning. You will notice it with using a good beard balm at night time. After a couple of days use, you will notice your beard feels nice and soft. It feels nice and softer. And there you go. That's all I've got to say about beard waxes. They are a cracking bit of kit that if you've never used them, give them a go. Now, other companies do have different ingredients and they may make them thicker, they may make them softer, whatever. Opie's have got it right there. It just soaks into the beard, lovely. The thing about Opie's is it's this particular one anyway is vegan friendly. So there's not going to be any beeswax in it because that ain't no vegan friendly stuff, my friend. But, so it's a nice touch if you are a vegan. You can use these products in your beard, along with the oils. Whereas with the balms, it's more likely to have that beeswax in it to give it that hold. Not all people use the beeswax. There's some that are dedicated vegan companies, obviously, stay away from it. But for the most part, you're going to see a lot flying around there. That's all I've got to say. Have a crack-a-lacking weekend, and I'll see you next time on Carl's Baby Banter 2.